right, we got the world famous Tim Tams. Let's see if we like it.
Tim Tams for the trying.
Ow. Do you like it?
Those are good.
What do you rank it?
9.5.
I'm from the city is new. I'm from the city is new.
Okay, here's the official. I am sending postcards in Australia. Yay! And the Australian Post.
I'm so excited.
There we go. People walking on the bridge. And the Sydney Opera House. There it is. Okay guys, here in Australia, and I'm excited to say Starbucks in Australia has the Been There series. So this will be highlighted at our wedding, which is exciting. And I found one since Starbucks is not really in Australia anymore. I'm not a huge fan. Apparently they have more awesome coffee, but hey, I love their mugs. This is exciting. I love it. Okay, there's this random thing called the Nurse's Walk. Let's go see what it's about. So guys, instead of doing the bridge climb over the bridge, which is awesome, but it is $400 plus for a 3-hour climb. Instead, you could walk across the bridge and not over the bridge, and for free. You go past where the bridge climb entrance is, down the street, find this elevator that takes you to the bridge, and there's a pedestrian walkway. So let's go check it out. Take the nonchalant elevator up to the top of Sydney Harbour Bridge. Let's go to the bridge. Street and bridge. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. There's lots of people just running. Let's see how far we would walk. officially made it to the top of the pylon tower and lookout. This is kind of cool. There's people walking on it, but I made it to the top.
Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure you subscribe and come along for future videos. Until next video, guys, may God bless you, and I hope you take it easy.
I'm from the city. I'm from the city. The city is. I'm from the city. The city is good.